going to show you how we tested for nutrients in the soil in our garden.
And why we tested for nutrients in soil.
There's many different layers of the soil. The first, the very, very top soil, the soil that we walk on, is called the humus. It is where most of the roots are. And this is the humus, right up here.
The humus layer is the top layer.
One thing about the humus layer that you really see in the humus layer is like more plants and roots in it.
Next up, we have the topsoil, which is the layer right under the humus.
This is topsoil right here, and as you can see, it's starting to get a little bit lighter.
The topsoil is more crumbly than the humus, and the topsoil is actually not the topsoil.
The humus layer is the top layer.
And down here is subsoil.
Subsoil is kind of like clay.
Take some off. You just pick it up, squash it around, and it's actually like real clay. It's kind of fun to play with. You got a lot of it.
Those long roots we found in the subsoil belong to plants who need the extra stability. These long roots help them with balance. This is our data collecting sheet.
We did topsoil, subsoil, and humus soil. We looked through the topsoil. I did a drawing of the naked eye and the Hans lens. This is a Hans lens. And the microscope. We test the soil to see if our plants get enough nutrients.
We're now going to do the pH test to test the acid level.
So here, Sophie is testing the pH of the humus.
It takes forever to fill up.
Yeah, it's going to take a little while.
So right now, I'm going to be opening this little capsule. You might spill a little bit if you try this yourself. That's okay.
Now we shake it.
For 15 seconds.
Now we let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes.
The color is close to the neutral, that green right there, and it's 7.0 pH.
I am now testing the N test, which is the nitrogen test. I did it perfectly. Well, not perfectly. Now we're going to let it sit for 5 to 15 minutes.
Now I'm going to fill the potassium. There we go.
This is the data we collected from our test. We're going to take the results to determine what we should do with our soil. This column, it's the pH levels of the humus, topsoil, and subsoil layers. And this column, this is the nitrogen. This one is the phosphorus column. And this one is the potassium column. Thank you for watching and learning about our 4th grade soil research. Boom.